Hey everybody, Nick from Airsoft Bros here, and today I have another gameplay video for you all, where one of my old co-workers and her daughter try out Airsoft for the first time, along with some more funny moments. I hope you all enjoy the video.
Just stick it in there, take your barrel cover off. Some of these, put those around your arm like that. Hit it once, and you're red.
Go ahead and take your barrel cover off.
Yeah, because you won't be able to shoot anything if the barrel cover's on.
Right?
I assume you guys have shot ARs before, right? The safety works the exact same. Flip it to the middle, and then you're good. Alright, yeah, it works. Flip the safety off. Alright, you're good.
I'd zip your hoodie up.
Oh yeah, zip it up.
And maybe zip it up the hood up if you know. Not killer hurt, but it's still a little.
Not as much as paintball, but like it still stings.
I need one person from each team to stand right here in the middle.
Me. Oh.
Two red, all right.
You having fun?
Yeah.
So much fun.
So much fun. Woohoo!
Are you at the chapter 2 Milsim?
Yeah, I was.
I was gonna say, I think I remember you. Can't you?
Yep.
Yeah.
I mean, how could you not remember the lightsaber?
Yeah,
It was kind of a highlight.
kinda was. Game. You guys win.
Oh, you killed him? How did that happen?
Oh, Thomas touched the president.
Oh, did he?
Uh-huh.
Game's over. You guys win. Red team wins.
So we're switching?
We're switching?
Switch. Red team got a
Okay.
Bravo.
They shot him. We won. We won this round. So we're going, it's our turn to escort.
They messed up. So watch out.
What's going on? Wait, now I'm confused. Okay, apparently we're not escorting, we're just redoing. Here, wait, swap.
Go. The president right there.
Oh, he did. Oh, he's dead now? Sorry, bro. Oh, I gotta touch him. I got him. No. I missed an opportunity to actually hit him. Fuck. Jake, shoot me. I missed my chance to use this. Thank you. Sorry I shot you. I thought we just had to shoot you to be done or kill you. Nah, you're good. If you come anywhere near my beloved president, I will smack you. Here. Let me through. Bro, I need a clip. Oh! Sorry, I'll let you
Who is that? Hey, you ran? Hey, wait. Hey, get away. Where the fucking ball here?
I did it.
Fucking nuts. Get there, walking.
I got a kill with the saber. Hey, are you red? Red. Okay. We're good. Put him in. White House corner.
Hey, clear that. We got run up there. We got run over there. You ready to go up? Let's go.
Sorry, you're good. Is it a high cap? Yeah, wind this. When you wind it, make sure the gun is like this. Yeah, up and down. So when you wind it, the BBs go up. Otherwise, they won't work. Here. Alright, now you're feeding.
Yeah. Just make sure to keep winding it. If it goes dry, you gotta wind it a lot. Anything other than that.
You okay?
Hey, shot it like 50 times.
Why?
Because I wanted to shoot him with it.
Because you wanted to? Okay. Oh no, you go ahead. Just pop her in the leg.
No.
And you're not allowed to shoot her back.
Huh?
Oh yeah, do you want to try this? Point it down there.
That's good right now.
Alright, listen to the game. Oh, you got the eye tracer?
Yeah, I love this thing.
I got for the first game I played with mine, the pet got shot out.
No way. The first one came with my flashlight, I got shot out. It's still shattered.
Shit.
That was, yeah. I don't really feel like replacing it. It still works.
Damn, that sucks.
Whatever.
Does it still work?
Yeah, still works. Yeah.
It's just.
It just kind of, if it's not sitting right, try to...
Hey! Come here! You guys want to see something cool? You want to see something cool? I got 2 of them. I'll be right back. No, I'm dead. I'll be right back. Hey! Oh, you got me right in the soft spot. Sorry.
That's that box of nerves where I almost died.
Go find like a dark corner and just crouch. Shut up. Yeah, don't announce that. Don't just scream blue, because then they know where we are.
Stop, stop. Go other way, other way.
Hey, I need help! I need help! Over here!
Snake, are you okay? Snake!
Good nade.
Snake!
Oh fuck, I think my trigger's broken. Shit. Okay, where was this last guy? Oh, yeah.
I can't see. Watch out, watch out.
Never made me do it.
Oh!
Snake, here, I need to make sure all the time,
Ah, wizard, you bitch! Okay, where are the other ones? You're still in here? Okay, well, this is one of the points, so might as well defend it. Fuck, I love this song!
I played this when I
Fuck you, fuck the phone. I know more fucks to give. That's insane! Wait, come here. That's crazy. That's just not being worth the time for the expense.
And that's it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider leaving a like, comment, and subscribe, as it helps the channel out and shows that you want to see more content from me. Also, be sure to check out the official Instagram and Discord server links in the description as well. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.